Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Esther. So last week, if you can remember, I told you guys that I was going to start using my Retin A, but I was waiting for this sunscreen to come. So after they brought it, I started using the Retin A, and this is 1 week after. So this is my 1 week review of Retin A. I have the Retin A on my face right now. So what we're going to learn today is how to apply it, the method I use in applying it, and when to wash it off. So the first time I used the Retin A, I applied it on my face and I was waiting, because all the reviews I've watched, people will tell you that you should not put it around your eyes, around your nose, that it's going to burn your face, you are going to turn red and everything. Of course, you know that there's a lot of melanin going on here, so I can't turn red. So the first time I applied it on my face, I didn't feel anything at all. The second day I applied it on my face and I felt a little bit of stinging sensation around my nose, around my mouth, then around my eyes. That was the second day. So the third day I decided not to apply it the way I would normally apply it, because I felt like the thing was not working, because I wanted to feel what I should feel. Do you get? So I didn't apply it the way I was applying it. I just applied it on my face. Then the following morning, like during the day, my face was on fire, like my face was hot. Make sure you apply like 1 hour before bedtime. If not, everything is just going to end up transferring on your pillow and it's not going to do the work. So make sure you apply it an hour before bedtime. So I will use this my Olay gentle hydrating rich creamy cleanser to just wipe my face. So I'm going to, like, okay, it's on my face right now from the one I applied last night, and you can see what it has done to my face. I have a little bit of breakouts here and there, you know, and it was not there before, but it's fine because the breakouts normally just last for one night. So let me just say, this is how I take it off in the morning. Okay, I don't wash it. Like, I've not been using soap on my face since I started using this, and normally I would use soap to wash my face, of course, but ever since I started using this, I've stopped using soap on my face. So I'll just leave this on my face for a little bit, like some seconds. Okay, you're not going to feel anything now. It's when you start wiping it off that you start feeling the heat. So yeah, let me just take it off. This cleanser is the bomb, like the bomb.com. Okay, you apply it on your face, it doesn't even sting. Like, if you're looking for something safe and easy to use, just opt for this and you are going to be good, honestly. So after that, I'm going to just spray water all over my face. Then so I have water on my face now, and I'll let it sit for maybe some minutes. Don't forget to clean your neck, of course, but I don't apply Retin A on your neck. Like, it's going to end up in tragedy. If you're eating it for the first time, don't even think of it. Like, don't even go there at all. Okay? You have to allow your body to get used to it, but it depends on your skin. I'm done wiping it off now. So what I would normally do is just go in with my moisturizer, Face Fact Hydrating Day Cream. I'll just go in. Trust me, after 1 week I'm feeling like my face is feeling so good right now. Like the second day, like the third day I used it, I told you guys my face was like on fire. It was very hot and everything, but now my face, I like the feeling. Okay, I'll just apply the moisturizer like that. Guys, you can see how my face is looking. Like, I love it so much. Okay. Yes. After applying the moisturizer, I'll go in with my sunscreen. Okay, I thought it was going to be sorry, I thought this sunscreen was going to be clear and not leave like residue on my face, but it's not like that. Like, I didn't want something that will leave white residue, and because I'm using it on my brown skin, when I apply it on my face I feel like it's like gray. It leaves like gray residue on my skin, and that is not what I want. I'll just rub it in now. Although the sunscreen works, but then guys, you can see what I'm saying. You can see it now. So this is how my face is looking after applying the sunscreen. So I'm going to go in again now to tell you guys step by step how I apply it. First thing you should do is to cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser. Okay, cleanser that does not sting your face with. So you are going to leave it to dry up for like 5 minutes or more. Then you are going to apply your moisturizer. After applying the moisturizer, you're just going to go in with the Retin A. That's the Tretinoin cream. Okay, you're going to go in with the Retin A, and make sure you do it an hour before bedtime. It's not going to hurt you. Okay, so yeah, an hour before bedtime. That way your skin will have absorbed the Retin A. So when you wake up in the morning, you wipe your face again with a gentle cleanser. Okay, gentle cleanser. Then you go in with your moisturizer and you apply your sunscreen. That is how it is recommended. Okay, so this Neutrogena sunscreen, this is SPF 100 plus. Okay, but what I noticed about this is that it leaves my face very, very oily. So if you have like oily skin, I don't think you should go for this one at all. Like, don't even buy this one. It leaves your face to be very oily, and I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to use it, but after using this one, I'm not going to buy this one anymore. No, I'm going to buy another one or buy something else, but not this one. So I just have to get that one out there. And yeah, that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much. We're going to do the second week review of Retin A, so check back to see how my face looks after 2 weeks of using Retin A, and I'll see you then. Bye, guys.